I'm at the seashore, and this is a vetch, and it's a nitrogen fixer. So it's an interesting one to find, and it's really nice here. The logs, the sand. Yeah, beautiful. It's very beautiful. I love these vetches. I'm going to check it all out when I go online again. I just remember the common name. Well, I think it might even be a Latin name to cover them all, but anyway, anywho, I'm at the beach house. It's like a 3-minute walk from my place. And there's the ocean and the beach. A lot of sand. Tide's out. That means I have to carry the boat further, so I'm going to need a couple of more guys. And yeah, look at that, hey? So many logs and stumps. Yeah, very cool. Well, much love, mad respect.